In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a simple and easy process with Google. Whether you're new to this or just needing a refresher, don't worry, I've got you covered with step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. First things first, you'll want to go to Temu. It's as straightforward as opening your preferred web browser and typing in the web address. Once you're there, you're ready to start our process. Moving on, you'll want to navigate to your profile. Your profile is your personal dashboard, the hub where all your account-related information is stored and managed. Within your profile, you'll be looking for a specific section labeled Your Payment Methods. This section acts like your virtual wallet, housing all the payment options you've got linked to your account. If at any time you need to review, update, or change them, this is your go-to place. Now let's dive deeper into how to handle your linked accounts. Specifically, say you've previously linked a PayPal account, but now wish to remove it. This is a common task if you're restructuring your payment methods or simply no longer using PayPal. Right there in the Your Payment Methods tab, you'll see an option to remove your PayPal account if it's connected. This acts as a security feature, giving you control over which payment methods remain active on your profile. Once you find the PayPal account listed, it's as simple as clicking Remove. This step is crucial for anyone looking to maintain financial privacy or declutter their payment options. While clicking Remove is simple, it's also incredibly empowering because it ensures that you have the ultimate control over your financial details. And just like that, you're finished. It's as straightforward as that. The process we've just completed, navigating to a website, accessing your profile, and managing your payment methods, is something that becomes second nature with just a little bit of practice. Each time you undertake such tasks, it enhances your confidence and fluency with navigating these digital spaces. These small, everyday actions add up to a seamless and efficient online experience. If at any point you're unsure or something isn't quite right, don't hesitate to go back and retrace your steps. With practice and patience, the digital world becomes less daunting and more at your fingertips. That wraps up today's guide with Google. Keep these tips in mind the next time you need to manage your online profiles and payment options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.